these saddlebags, yep, these bags are crash proof. Now that I have you hooked with some drama, let's talk about these bags, baby. I'm going to keep this short. I won't be unboxing or talking about the features or the number of pockets as such. I'll leave all of that information in the description box, so do check it out. There's a link as well where you could buy these. I'll just focus on three things in this video. How much luggage can you actually fill in these bags? The time it takes to mount these bags, and why I think soft bags are a more practical and a functional option compared to hard panniers. I will also look at another option in soft saddlebags that adds more functionality, and in hindsight I think I should have probably brought that, but I wasn't aware of it while I bought these bags. These are really good as well. Also, there's a bonus hack at the end of the video that could save you 7,000 rupees, so please watch the full video. Please, I fell for you now. So these are Mustang 50-liter bags from Guardian Gears that I bought for 3,500. This is not a sponsored video. I bought these myself and I've had these bags for a year and I've used them on a couple of longish rides. I've also crashed with these bags, as you've seen already, and can vouch for their sturdy build quality. These are 2-up bags, which means you can have a pillion ride with you when these bags are mounted. So first, let's see how much luggage can you actually fit in these two 25-liter bags on either sides. So they come off into two pieces like this, and then you can just have them latch on like this, put it on the pillion seat, and both these bags hang on either side. So I did a 5-day trip to Goa the last time around. So this time I'm packing for 7 days. This is all we're gonna stuff. There's 6 top wears, t-shirts, shirts, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in fact. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bottom wear. Essentials I've already packed. So let's start with the bottom wear. By the way, this packing is for the Kasol trip, which I had in May earlier this year. The plan was I rode from Pune to Mumbai, then a flight to Delhi, and then a bus to the Himachal. There's a link to the video right there at the top. Do check it out. And there's still more space left. Now on this side, I'm gonna add in the top wear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Jacket. So we'll go here on the side and just fit right there. All packed up. Okay, now let's take a look at how much time it takes to mount these bags. So I've put a timer on the side there, and I'm going to speed this up along with the video, so the timer also will move at the same speed. So let's see how much time it takes. I wasted 30 seconds there just to get the D-ring. So basically it'll take under 2 minutes to mount these bags. There are 3 mounting points, 2 buckles on either sides, and a D-ring at the back. And now the third point, why I think these, or any soft saddlebags for that matter, are a more practical choice for carrying luggage on long rides. There are 3 reasons. First, the actual capacity that these bags can carry. So these are soft bags, they can expand, and as you saw, I could fit almost 7 to 8 days of clothes, accessories, essentials in these bags, and they fit in perfectly fine. Whereas with hard panniers, there's limited room. We've seen the original GMA, the long haul panniers that have come through. They look really good. They look beautiful, aesthetically pleasing. But practically, there's very limited storage space. Maybe for your errands, those groceries, you could use those. But for longer rides, maybe they can't be the only luggage that you can carry. You'll need a top box or you'll need a pillion bag to sort of accommodate that. Second advantage is that these soft saddle bags are damage proof to a much larger extent compared to hard panniers. I mean, imagine getting into a crash, slide, or a fall with those hard panniers, which are either fiber or metal or even leather. That is going to be very painful and expensive, to either replace or repair. I mean, I had a slide with my soft saddlebags, and the only thing it broke was my brake lever and my confidence on corners. But nothing on the back, not a scratch, not a thread that came off, so should be an advantage. And lastly, these are extremely budget friendly. These bags cost me 3,500 rupees. You have multiple options in the market. There's Strabo, which I'll cover very shortly. Rhinox makes them, Viaterra makes them, and you'll get decent bags for less than 6,000-7,000 rupees. Whereas hard panniers, nothing comes under 20,000. So it's something that you get for a third of the cost, and with its side benefits. Hard panniers have their own advantages. They look good. They're sort of more sturdy. They give you the option to sort of leave the bags on. They come with locks and everything. But yes, you miss out on those. But it becomes a more value for money option. With these saddlebags. So a very good alternative to these Guardian Gears Mustang saddlebags is the Strabo Daytona saddlebags that very amazingly double up as backpacks as well, something that you could use for hiking or trekking as well, which I realized would have been a wonderful option for me if I had taken those, because when I took these saddlebags and rode with these bags from Pune to Mumbai, and then it was good until that point, but then I had to carry these bags through the rest of the journey, from the flights to the bus to actually reaching the destination, and there were hikes there, and it became a problem. So if I had something that was saddlebags when I wanted them to be and a backpack when I wanted them to be, it's just a very good option, and it's not expensive. Just at 800 rupees more, these bags come for about 4,300 rupees, so just makes a lot more sense. Okay, so you remember the crash at the beginning of the video? Here's the hack that I promised, which will save you almost 7,000 rupees. So I've had a couple of crashes with my Super Meteor, and as a result broke my brake lever. Now there's no aftermarket replacement for this, and the OEM lever costs a whopping 7,000 rupees because these are adjustable for reach. You cannot weld the broken piece either because it isn't metal, and riding with a half lever is risky. Solution is call up your local RE service center and ask for a Meteor 350 lever that costs just 300 rupees. Yes, that fits. Of course, you'll miss out on the adjustable feature, but rest of it works as it should. And it doesn't even look out of place. That's it from this one. I hope you found this video useful in deciding a saddlebag for yourself, and I hope the hack comes in handy when you break your brake lever. I just hope you don't have a crash to find that out. I'll also be shooting a comparison video very soon and uploading it very soon between different hard panniers that are available in the market today, including the Royal Enfield long haul panniers. So please
मेरा ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे हर अपडेट आपको मिले, इसके लिए बेल आइकन जरूर दबाइएगा।